Assalamu alaikum class. The topic under discussion is the true false of the class Reptilia. The earliest members of the class Reptilia were the first vertebrates to possess amniotic eggs. Yes, this is true. Amniotic eggs starts from class Reptilia. Extra embryonic membranes, apart from protecting the embryo, also store waste material. Yes, this is true. Eggs of some arthropods, some fishes, and some amphibian develop on the land. Yes, this is true. These eggs do not require water for its development. Chelonia have a single opening in the temporal region of the skull. No, they lack opening. They are included in anapsid. Synapsid reptiles are represented by crocodiles. No, these are extinct. Reptiles are characterized by the skull with the two occipital condyle articulation with the first neck vertebrae. No, they are characterized by one occipital condyle articulation with the first neck vertebrae. Reptiles have dry skin with a keratinized dermal scale. No, scales are epidermal in nature. Ventral part of the shell of turtle is known as the plastron. Turtles have 8 vertebrae in the region of the neck or in cervix. In Teutera, there are 2 rows of teeth in the upper jaw and a single row in the lower jaw. Yes, this is true. The lower jaw in the snakes and lizards is united anteriorly. No, this is not true. Most geckos, commonly wall lizards, are capable of clicking vocalization. Yes, this is true. The right lung in snakes is reduced or lost. No, left lung is reduced. In lizard, the stomach is gizzard-like. No, it is in crocodiles. The stomach is gizzard-like. Chromatophores of the reptiles are primarily dermal in origin. Yes. Sharply contrasting colors of an amphibian that warn other animals of unpleasant and dangerous effect is termed as the cryptic coloration. No, this is a posmotic coloration. Secondary palate is an adaptation for chewing when the mouth is full of water or food. No, this is an adaptation for breathing when the mouth is full of water or food. Most reptiles are carnivorous. Yes, this is true. The tongue extension of chameleon exceed their body length. Yes, this is true. Length of the tongue of chameleon is double than its body length. In all reptiles, sinus venosus has become part of cells that act like pacemaker. No, it is there is an exception of testudines and the lizards. Reptiles are endothermic. No, they do not generate their own body heat. They are the ectotherm. The parietal eye in the Teutera contain a lens, a nerve, and the retina, but probably it cannot form image. This is true. Most reptiles excrete urea. No, they excrete uric acid. Populations of the parthenogenetic females have high reproductive potential than the bisexual populations. Yes, this is true. This is actually an adaptation to maintain the number of individual of that specific species because they have less genetic diversity. The archosaur lineage ultimately gave rise to crocodile, pterosaurs, and the birds. This is true. The order Rhynchosphalia of the reptilia include the single species Heloderma suspectum. No. Sphenodon punctatus is the member of the Rhynchosphalia. The adaptive radiation of the early amniotes began in the Carboniferous period. The major prey of early amniotes were insects, reptiles in the subclass Anapsid. They lack opening or fenestrae in the temporal region of the skull. The fundamental form of skull and shell in the Anapsid lineage is recognized approximately 200 million years old fossils. Synapsid possess a single dorsal opening in the temporal region of the skull. Yes, this is true. Reptiles have dry skin with the dermal scales. No, epidermal scales are present in reptiles. According to cladistic interpretations, birds should be classified as the reptile with their closest relatives, dinosaurs. Yes, keratin is a resistant protein and it is found in the epidermis of the amniote. Reptiles are the dominant part of the major of ecosystem in the tropical and subtropical environment. There are approximately 20 to 25 species of turtles, A dorsal portion of the shell of the turtle is known as the carapace, and turtle attain sexual maturity after 7 to 8 years. Only surviving species of the Rhynchosphalia is the Tutera. Tutera virtually remain unchanged from extinct relatives that were present at the beginning of the Mesozoic era. Tutera is oviparous, they lay eggs. Tutera is now present only on remote offshore islands and is protected by the New Zealand law. Ancestral members of the order Squamata originated in the Lepidosaur lineage. There are about 3600 species of the lizard. No, this is not true. There are about 3300 species of the lizards. In contrast to the snakes, lizards usually have two pairs of legs and their upper and lower jaw unite posteriorly. No, their upper and lower jaw unite anteriorly. The few lizards that are legless retain remnants of the pectoral girdle and sternum. The venomous lizards Gila monster and Mexican bearded lizard Heloderma horridum, they are the native to the southwestern North America. The earliest fossils of the snakes are found from the 135 million years old deposits. There are about 135 species in suborder Amphisbaenia. The order Crocodilia has 17 species. Crocodiles have not changed much over their 135 million years history. In reptiles, ecdysis generally begins in the head region. Locomotion in the primitive reptiles is similar to that of salamanders. The venom of the vipers is primarily neurotoxin. No, this is hemotoxin. It attack on the blood cells. In reptiles, the larynx is present, however, vocal cords are usually absent. This is true. In most reptiles, a negative pressure mechanism is responsible for lung ventilation. In reptile, chromatophore also aid in temperature regulation. Yes, this is true. Some reptiles possess a median eye that develops from the outgrowth of the roof of the midbrain. No, a median eye is developed from the roof of the forebrain. Many lizards possess salt gland below the nostrils for ridding the excess salt from the body. These glands are present just below the eyes. A development of amniotic egg is necessary for internal fertilization because it provides the cushion, it store the water, it prevent from desiccation, etc. Parthenogenesis in reptiles have been described in the 6 families of lizards and 1 species of snakes. Amphisbaenians, they have single tooth in the upper jaw. Yes, this is true. Ventral portion of the tortoise skull is called plastron. This is true. This is the completion of the topic. Thank you.